Welcome back to the pod. Today, we are diving deep into the massive technical shakeup hitting the grid in 2026. Formula One is reinventing itself, and it is not just about looks. We are talking about a total overhaul of the chassis, the engine, and the very fuel that powers these beasts. Fans, athletes, and engineers are all buzzing because the FIA is aiming for a more agile, sustainable, and competitive sport. If you thought the 2022 ground effect cars were a change, wait until you hear what is coming. We are breaking down everything from the nimble chassis to the removal of the traditional DRS system. Let's get into the specs. The biggest physical change? The cars are shrinking. For years, drivers have complained that these machines are like boats on tight tracks like Monaco. For 2026, the agile car concept is the priority. The wheelbase is being clipped by 200 millimeters, and the width is dropping by 100 millimeters. Most importantly, the FIA is targeting a 30-kilogram weight reduction. Think about the fitness implications for the drivers. A lighter car means higher lateral G-forces and a more reactive front end. It is a return to a more nimble driving style that favors the technical masters on the grid. This is about making the car work for the track, not against it. Under the hood, the change is even more radical. We are keeping the V6 turbo, but the MGU-H is gone. Instead, we are looking at a nearly 50-50 split between internal combustion and electric power. We are talking about 400 kilowatts of electric deployment. That's a 300% increase over the current system. For the athletes in the cockpit, managing that energy recovery is going to be a grueling mental and physical challenge. It is no longer just about floor it and go. It's about harvesting and deploying power strategically to ensure they don't derate on the long straights. It's a whole new game of strategy. Say goodbye to the DRS we know. In 2026, we are getting active aerodynamics. Both the front and rear wings will be movable. There are two primary settings, Z mode and X mode. Z mode is for the corners, maximizing downforce to glue the car to the asphalt. X mode is for the straights, flattening the wings to slash drag and boost top speed. This isn't just a trailing car advantage anymore. It is integrated into the car's fundamental performance. It's going to look like the car is breathing as it transitions between technical sectors and high-speed blasts. It is a masterpiece of engineering.
Since DRS as a passing aid is gone, F1 is introducing the manual override mode. This gives the following car a boost of energy. Think of it like push to pass in IndyCar. While the leading car's energy deployment tapers off after 290 kph, the Challenger can keep that 350 kilowatt surge going up to 337 kph. This puts the power literally in the driver's hands. It's a tactical tool that rewards brave late braking and smart energy management. It's going to make wheel-to-wheel combat more organic and less like a drive-by on the straight. I cannot wait to see how the drivers exploit this.
F1 is going green, but without losing the scream of the engine. By 2026, all cars will run on 100% sustainable fuels. This isn't just biofuel. It's carbon-neutral synthetic fuel that can be dropped into any standard internal combustion engine. This is a massive play for global sustainability, proving that high-performance sport can exist in a net-zero world. For the fans, the sound remains, but the footprint vanishes. It is a huge step for the sport's image and its longevity in a changing world. It is a win for the environment and a win for the petrolheads who love the roar of a V6. Speed is nothing without safety. The 2026 regulations also include a reinforced roll hoop and improved side impact protection. With the cars being smaller and more agile, the FIA has redesigned the cross structures to handle higher speed impacts. They've also looked at the dirty air problem. By refining the aerodynamics to be less sensitive to the wake of the car in front, they are ensuring that drivers can follow closely without losing front-end grip. This means more nose-to-tail action through the corners and fewer processional races. It's about creating a stable platform for the best racing in the world. So there you have it. 2026 is going to be a total reset.
New engines, new chassis, new aero, and new fuel. For the teams, it is a race against time to interpret these rules better than the competition. For us fans, it is an opportunity to see the pecking order get completely scrambled. Will Red Bull maintain their dominance, or will the new power unit regulations allow Ferrari, Mercedes, or even Audi to jump to the front? One thing is certain, Formula One is getting smaller, smarter, and faster. Thanks for listening to this deep dive. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more technical breakdowns.